Hello everyone, I'm very happy to meet you all again. This is a dot mandala making video and here is a 23-inch MDF board. As usual, I drew circles and created grids. The details will be there in the description. And here are the colors that I'm going to use: white, teal blue and coral red. Let us start dotting now. I'll start dotting in the center with white. Now I'll dot in the next circle with teal blue. Now I'll keep two side swipes. Now I'll dot with coral red in this circle. Now I'll keep two tiny dots. In the next circle, I'll dot with white. Now I'll keep two side swipes here. I'll fill this circle with teal blue dots now. Now I'll keep two tiny dots in between. Now I'll fill this circle with coral red dots. And now keep two tiny dots in between. Now I'll keep white dots on all the lines in this circle. Now I'll keep teal blue dots just above these white dots. I'll walk the dots one side with teal blue now. I'll keep a coral red dot here. Now I'll keep a white dot in between. Now I'll walk the dot with white. Now I'll walk the dots with coral red. I'll now keep a white dot here. In this circle, I'll keep white dots. Now I'll keep 2 tiny dots. Now I'll keep teal blue dots in this circle. Now I'll keep 2 tiny dots. The next circle, I'll fill it with coral red dots here. I'll now keep 2 tiny dots here. Now I'll keep white dots on all the lines in this circle. Now I'll keep teal blue dots just above these white dots. Now I'll keep a coral red dot here. Now I'll keep a white dot in between. Now I'll walk the dots both the sides using teal blue. Now I'll walk the dots second layer with white. Now I'll walk the dots third layer with coral red. Now I'll keep white dots in this circle. Now I'll keep tiny dots here. Now I'll keep teal blue dots in the next circle. Now I'll keep tiny dots here. Now I'll keep coral red dots in this circle. Now I'll keep tiny dots here. Now I'll keep white dots on all these lines. Now I'll keep teal blue dots just above these white dots. Now I'll keep coral red dots here. Now I'll keep a white dot in between. Now I'll work the dots with teal blue. Now I'll work the dot second layer with white here. Now I'll work the dots third layer with coral red. Now I'll keep 3 dots in coral red. Here I'll keep 4 teal blue dots. Now in each of these corners I'm going to keep white dots.